everyone! Do you like fireworks? I do. In fact, I love fireworks. All those whizzes and whooshes and bangs. But not everybody loves them, as you'll see in today's story. All aboard for a big adventure! Samson and the fireworks. Samson and his brake van Bradford had come over from the mainland to help out at the Blue Mountain Quarry.
According to the official railway rule book, birds are not allowed on goods cars.
Hello, Thomas.
Hi, Samson. Oh, hello, Bradford.
Are you sure those crates are correctly secured to your flatbed, Thomas?
Yes, thank you, Bradford. Perfectly secure.
What have you got there, Thomas?
Oh, these are the fireworks for the Earl's annual fireworks display tonight at Ulfstead Castle.
Fireworks?
My favourites are the rockets. They're like space rockets whooshing up into the sky, higher and higher and higher. Whee! Bang! Bang! See you later! Bang! Bang!
Oh, stop it, Thomas, stop it!
Samson? What's the matter?
Nothing. Why should anything be the matter? Not afraid of fireworks? No, not at all. Just a few loud bangs. Nothing to worry about.
Enough nattering. We're already running 32 seconds late. Let's go. Come on, move it.